Carrying forward the worksheet from part 1 of this video, let us try to evaluate why in majority cases index and match would work better than Vlookup. First, let us try to make the same formula via Vlookup. So, in both the cases over here, it gives us the same result. However, Vlookup fails in the following case. Let's say in this data, the name was on the right side of the salary instead of the left side. In such a case, Vlookup would not be able to give me an exact value, while the index formula will give me the salary value still without changing any aspect of the formula. Vlookup will work just fine if instead of column B, the name was in column C and salary, the desired value, was on the right hand side of the lookup variable. I have to update my table array from B to C because now A is in column C and my desired value is in the second column of the table array.